Hi, I'm in Greymore. I already know where I have to go since I beat the game, you know. Ooh, Rashka. Anyways, I'm gonna continue my way away. Hi, Birdie. I remember when I beat your gauntlet. It was a bit tough. I like using the Hunter's Crest. Okay, not when the enemy cannot stop running. Jesus, they were running so much. I don't want to fight you. Oh yeah, I did kill fourth chorus. He was a bit hard, although I was harder. Wait, no. The run back here is insane. I already did this run back a lot, so I memorized like where to go. Yeah, and then here's the room. Door locks. Starts. Oh no, it's the primal acid part. Primal acid part 2. The quote unquote enemy that's harder than a boss. So back when I played this, like originally, this was like the hardest gauntlet of all time. I told my friends this was the hardest gauntlet in the game. Which, if you know anything about Hollow Knight Silksong, you know it's not. Actually, I don't think you need to know anything about Hollow Knight Silksong to know that this isn't. Oh my god. Now you know why I hate it. No, just because I might go back on my laptop just so I can defeat it. If something's like extremely hard, I'm gonna go on my laptop, kill it easily since, you know. And then I'm gonna go back to playing on joystick. My joystick moving thing keeps getting stuck on the edge and then keeps making me move. Oh my god! Yeah, I know you're enjoying me rage. God! You don't need this much health! Team Cherry just is not capable of making a good enemy. First we got Primal Aspid, then we got this thing, then we got the Cross. Like, how do you be this bad at making enemies? This is the last time I'm using the Hunter's Crest. Yeah, I know I said it like 5 minutes ago. I know I said I like it, but I lied. Like, do you see this? Did you see how the hitbox was? Oh my god! What? Bro, I don't do any damage! Bro, my damage is less than 1. How do I use my tool? My tip is, if they run from you, run from them. Look, they chase after you, then you attack. Oh my god. And all of the runners, in all of the runner worlds. What? What? Sorry. I'm going on my laptop. I've had enough of this. I'm done. Yeah, I'm using my laptop. I don't care. This enemy arena sucks. Yeah, I'm not sticking to the challenge if I have to do something that's just stupid. It's like if I did a challenge where I have to listen to whatever you guys say, and then one of you said, uh, use a toaster in the bathtub. Like, of course I'm not gonna do that. The healing takes so long. Alright, now I'm going back to the controller. Alright? Video's over.